Hello and welcome to the latest update from the Met Office. Now this weekend is going to stay cold, scenes like this for some upland areas, a lot of cloud cover mind you, some bits of rain and hill snow as well. We've seen that across Wales and Northern Ireland through the day, and into Friday evening the rain and hill snow pushes into central and southern Scotland, northern England, North Midlands as well as parts of central southern England. Now for the Midlands northwards, could even see a few flakes of snow at lower levels, but really the significant lying snow will be above 200-300 metres or so, and for the North Midlands up to southern Scotland, yellow warning in force for upland areas. Could be some transport disruption because of that accumulating snow. Ahead of that, we keep clear skies for northern Scotland, a hard frost to come here. East Anglia in the southeast as well will see temperatures dip away during the first part of the night in particular. But milder air comes back into Northern Ireland, into southwest Scotland. Wales and the southwest of England will likely see heavy showers here and temperatures of 5-6 degrees or so. Elsewhere, it's going to be a cold start to Saturday, a grey start for many, and a hard frost for northern Scotland, -9 degrees possible in some sheltered spots. Now through Saturday morning, don't be surprised at lower levels for parts of eastern England as far as, say, western parts of Norfolk and Suffolk, as well as for, say, the Pennines into northern parts of the Midlands. Don't be surprised if we see some patchy snow even at lower levels. But this weather front is a fizzler, and that means most places drying up along it. It leaves a legacy of grey skies, hill fog as well, a gloomy day for much of England, Wales, southern Scotland. Brightest skies will be across northern Scotland after that very frosty start. Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest will see some brighter weather as well, but heavy showers into here, albeit with milder air, 9 degrees. Elsewhere it's going to feel cold, particularly where we've got all that grey, gloomy sky. So relatively cold air across the country on Saturday night. Nothing unusual at the moment, but we are surrounded on all sides by cold. And behind this cold front, where we'll see a change in conditions through Saturday night and into Sunday. The fizzler to the south disappears before the cold front arrives into the northwest. We keep a lot of cloud, though, across much of England, Wales, southern Scotland by Sunday morning. Largely frost-free, but where the cloud does break, a few pockets of frost. Further heavy showers for West Wales as well as the southwest, and a frost in places for central and eastern Scotland. But the cloud and the rain push in for western Scotland and Northern Ireland as we start off Sunday. Rain at lower levels, snow over hills, but this is another fizzler and it slows down, pushes into northern England and North Wales, just as a showery feature really. More significantly, it clears through and we'll see much cleaner air. Blue skies for Scotland and Northern Ireland, plenty of sunshine, but a cold feel, particularly where we've got a brisk breeze coming in from the northwest. Rain and hail showers around the coast, sleet and snow inland for western Scotland. Ahead of the weather front, though, we keep the gloom for one more day, a lot of cloud, some drizzle as well. So it's a cold weekend coming up. There will be some snow. However, the snow risk increases, the risk of disruptive snow anyway increases into next week. So you want to stay up to date to hear more about that over the next few days by checking out our forecasts and warnings and so on online.